Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do a comparison between the A-50 Byondnova and the WS400 Supernova. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open it up so you can see the interior of the Supernova and the Byondnova. They're built completely different. The outside might look a little bit the same, but the interiors are different. Okay, let's open them up. Let's take the cap of the Supernova right there. This is the way it looks on the Supernova. I'm going to take this off also. Let me take the cap of this one, the Byondnova. This is how it looks. Let me start taking off the needle. Right there. There's the needle. This is the Supernova. This is a Byondnova. All right. And this is how it looks for the Supernova. All right. Right there. You cannot take this off. This is it. Now, the Byondnova there it is. But this one, you can take it off. So it is completely different the way it's built from the inside. Okay. There is a gasket right there behind it that they actually send you a couple of them. If you keep your gun clean, you're never going to replace them. These don't go bad that often. So, but it's good to have an extra set. Right there. You see, they're completely different. So if you're thinking that it's just a copy from the Supernova, it's not. The body might be, like I said, a little bit the same. The only reason is that they're trying to compare it to the Supernova. Okay, that's going to be the gun that's going to be compatible with the Supernova in regards to clear coat, how you shoot clear coat. All right, let me put it together. Let me put it back together. Start shooting the clear coat. Let's see how each one of them performs. I already prepared a hood. I'm gonna spray one side with the Supernova and one side with the Byondnova. This is an old hood that I had. This is from my old Charger. I just painted it in whatever color I had, and it still has little dents and stuff. My purpose is to see how the difference on the clear coat. I'm going to use the Supernova on one side. I'm going to use the Byondnova on the other side. Let's see the difference on clear. Let's see how good each one of them is. Because this is not to bash the Supernova, guys. I love the Supernova. As a matter of fact, I have it on my logo because it's one of the best guns out there. But it is also expensive. It's an expensive gun. Now the Byondnova, I'm not sure as to how much it's going to be going for, but I know it's going to be a lot less than the Supernova. Okay, so I'm going to show you that it sprays identical or a little bit better than the Supernova. So let's just compare it. Maybe I'm wrong, but we'll see. There it is, first coat. It wasn't that heavy, so you're not gonna see any difference right now, but there it is. I'm gonna show you all 3 coats. I'm just gonna be applying 3 coats. There it is. After 3 coats, real nice. And in regards to the finish, if you can see the reflection of the light, you can see the reflection of the light, it's identical. Now don't mind the dents. Like I said, this is an old hood. I'm just using it for comparison. Okay? But just look at the light, how it shines, and you can see the difference. But let me just wait for it to dry, take it outside, so I can show it to you out in the sun. All right? Here it is, out in the sun. Supernova, Byondnova. Looks nice. There it is. As you can see, the Byondnova sprays identical as the Supernova. There it is, guys. Love it. Love it. Alright guys, this will be it for this video. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Have a great week. I'll see you this coming weekend. And it'll be with the Mustang. The fixing of the Mustang. I'm still waiting for that clear. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, God bless.